welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you our first real trip to the mountains at Krasnaya Polyana. Why the first real one? Because we've already been to the mountains together with my children without our dad. We got up the mountain and Gorky got it in November, but we just had a walk there and didn't try to ski, because the ski season hadn't started yet. I've already said that Sochi is an unusual city because it is surrounded by the Black Sea from one side and by the mountains from another side. There is a beach resort at the coast that is the most popular one in Russia. There is no snow there because the climate is subtropical and the winters are warm and mild, but it takes you only about an hour by bus or by car to get from the seaside to the wonderful mountain resort Krasnaya Polyana. It is situated in 50 kilometers from the Olympic Park in Adler. That's a funny distance for Russian people. By the way, you won't see Sunny in this video because on this day he decided to go to the mountain aqua park Gazprom Galaxy with his friend and her family. If you don't have skis, sticks, boots, special jackets, helmets and GoPro cam or anything else that you need for good skiing, you can rent such equipment practically everywhere. There are lots of rent offices in the main streets. There are even some promoters who give you advertising leaflets and offer to rent some equipment at their office for the best price. What is more, you need to buy a ski pass for using the lifts. There are many different variants of ski passes for different teams. You can choose how much time you'd like to spend there, what time of a day to start and to finish skiing, what mountain peaks to visit, and how many days to use this pass. The prices vary during the season, but an average ski pass for an adult person costs at about 2000 rubles, that is about $31. You can choose and buy it at the ski lift itself, in rent services and in most hotels. Some of them even offer you a discount, and some other good hotels give you such ski passes as a present when you rent a good room.
Иди, не ночь. Папа как киборг у нас. Заходи, заходи. Сейчас подам. Так, это... Сейчас закроется.
Так, болты затянули себе?
Да, более-менее. Не, я затянула их сильно. И не затянула.
Давай, конечно.
Чай вот этот был очень лишний. Блин, обалдеть. А лыжи оттуда не свалятся?
Не свалятся. Вот маленькие могут упасть, потому что у них рычаг там меньше. Соответственно, они вставляют сюда меньше.
Вообще нереально.
Делал, ты, Маша, не делал, домик делай. Шире, да? Вот, молодец. Хорошо.
Нина!
It was the first time in our lives when we tried to ski. I wish we could ski well. There were so many small children getting down the hills like the Olympic champions. But we all were scared to move and to fall. The feelings were extremely new and unusual to us. But it was really fun. It was so sunny and warm that I could definitely take my light jacket off. The sun was shining so brightly, I've never yet seen it being so sparkling. Красота!
Машинка
Не, классно,
переводит
если научиться ездить, прям вообще огонь.
снег. Машинка переводит снег. Там стоят какие-то скульптуры.
Да, ровно.
Нина? Дочка, помаши мне еще разочек. Скажи привет.
At the end of the day, we all were completely exhausted, both physically and emotionally. That is why we wanted to go somewhere to eat a big portion of hot soup and to go to our hotel. It was so great to take off that heavy big ski boots that don't even let you keep your legs straight. The weather was great. I want you to remember that it is February, it is winter, it is Russian winter. So, after the supper, we went to the bus station because it was already dark and we needed 1 more hour to return back to our hotel. The streets were still crowded and some people were just going to get up the mountains and to start skiing. There is even a special ski pass for those ones who would like to do it in the dark. I'm sure that it must be very beautiful there in the evening, because all the parts of this ski resort shine so brightly and attractively. I'm sure that I've forgotten to tell you so many special things that I actually wanted to, but I still hope that you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.